to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
All in the name of love. Look what you made me. I've been praying for the rain to fall. Wash me down so I'll be born. Open heavens, let it pour. You can love me again, again, again. You better love me again. You better love me again. You better love me again.
Weight sessions and often also for technique, I prefer this one
Beaded,
to
right?
get like my technique better.
And the PVC for tricks and speed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna give Mira the icon rope. What's good for me to like start practicing freestyle? So the beaded one for technique.
Yeah, the beaded one for technique.
Cool.
Also because it comes like with a better flow.
So
I
you're gonna teach me something hopefully cool.
Yeah,
And
for
I'll have
sure.
the beaded one. I'm gonna talk you through kind of ropes in general really quickly. She's gonna teach me some moves. And right now I've given her like a fresh new rope, so she's gonna size it and give you guys some pointers. So like, how would you go about sizing your ropes?
Yeah, so first I'm saying like just stand on your rope. And if your rope is like up to your ears, it's gonna be definitely too long.
Yeah.
So make sure maybe to have it like in your like pressed high.
Okay,
Like,
so at the top of the handle,
here.
yeah?
yeah, top of the handle here. And yeah, just shorten it, like it's pretty easy. Just pull it down. So we're starting with a wrap.
Okay.
So everyone who can do side swing is almost already sorted.
Yep.
So what we're gonna do is like a side swing, and the second side swing on your right hand, so your outside hand, the rope goes once over your arm,
Yep.
and then keeps going forward,
Yeah.
unwrapping and jumping.
So what's the key thing to remember when you're rapping? What's like the best technique to remember? Like what are you doing with your wrists exactly?
Yeah, just make sure to put your arm out.
Arm out,
Yeah.
Got
and
you.
keep your wrist moving.
arm out, keep
Forward.
your wrists moving. So arm out, keep your wrists moving.
Forward.
Yeah?
Yeah. Perfect.
And then when you're confident, then you can, I guess, jump through, yeah?
Yeah. Perfect.
Cool.
Good job.
All right, so what's the next step after that?
So the next one, we want to build it up a little bit for advanced level. So we're going to do it with EB. So the EB is this jump, but we're doing it in 3 levels. So we start with level 1, which is just the wrapping.
Yep.
So it's EB and your arm comes out again, wrapping to the front.
Oh wow.
Jumping
I'm
over.
I'm already confused. So it was EB,
Yeah.
wrap,
Yeah.
and then?
Unwrap. Perfect. So wait. So you keep going forward.
Oh, you're gonna
this
bring
way.
this one around, yeah?
Yeah.
And then?
Forward. Like unwrap forward,
Yep.
And
Unwrap
jump.
forward,
and jump.
and then jump here.
That's it. Good job.
This is tough. All right, so EB,
One.
forward. Oh my days, I don't know where I'm going. Okay.
Yeah, good job. That's
All right, here we
it.
go.
Good
I'm
job.
just clipping my glasses in. Nice. Okay, kind of. This is really not my thing, guys. It feels like so like foreign to me. This is tougher than she's making it look, guys. What's the next one?
Okay, the next trick we're doing is called the toad. I'll show it first and then I'll teach you.
Sweet. Nice.
Yeah,
Make it look
so
easy.
that's the trick. Yeah,
Cool.
I'm sure you can do it. What do you think?
No, definitely not. Definitely not. Let me know.
So the first thing you're doing is make sure your rope comes to the front and you use either your right hand and your right leg or left hand, left leg.
Okay.
So it comes to the front and you put up your leg and your arm goes inside your leg and you
you.
try to catch it with your foot. That
So-
would be like premium class if you can do that, but
Yeah.
let's try that first.
See, it's harder than it looks, right? Very true.
Perfect, yeah, very good.
No?
But
Oh,
make
yes.
sure your arm is like wide enough in your leg, so that's the most important thing, and to stay.
So I feel like I'm really not flexible to even do this.
Yeah,
that's
you
my
can go down a little bit, but try to be. Yeah.
Okay,
that's
and then
fine.
after that, what's the next?
Perfect.
And you're just gonna jump, is it?
Yeah. So the next step will be jumping. So you jump over it and then put both hands to the other side, so
Okay.
to the opposite side. Do a side swing and jump. So you jump.
Yep.
Both hands to one side, side swing, jump over.
Okay.
It's the most important. Yeah. And
Next tutorial.
you can go down.
Oof. You know I've had 2 double hip operations, yeah?
No, I did not.
didn't
Next
know?
it's like India.
Oh, that hurts, man.
And then oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Aye,
Yeah.
aye.
Both hands to the side and jump over.
This is not the slick rush, you know. That's hard, guys. Give it a go. Show it quickly, show it really nice and quick. It's up. That's the way to do it, man. Sweet. Right guys, so I'm like 10 minutes into my first freestyle lesson and it is tough. But she's a good teacher. I'm finding it difficult to realise what the hell's going on. Next time you come down to London, we'll get her down to the HQ and we'll do some proper tutorials. Or go check her YouTube channel because you've got more tutorials coming, right?
Yes.
Good. All right, so you're gonna show us now that I'm pretty much trying to give up here. That's what I'm trying to do. My hips are killing me. All right, you're gonna show us the cross, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, and I will try and give it a go, but I'm not gonna waste your time. Come.
No, don't worry.
What's your cross? Show me.
Yeah, so the cross is like a cross and then cross your arms, but
Okay.
it's like the second jump. So it's 1, 2, you cross your arms, and it's the second jump. So many people do one side swing cross, so that's wrong. Okay, so make sure to cross, go slow, and cross your arms.
Okay, so go as fast as you can. Let me see how that looks like fast. Oh my days. That is how to do the cross. That is nuts. What's the next trick?
The next trick, we can do like a side swing in your legs.
Okay.
So it's like a side swing as you do before. So side swing, but just use your leg. So 1, 2, 1, 2.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm not gonna try that. My hips are fucked.
Everyone can do the side swing as we did just before. So do the side swing and your front arm
Yeah. Front arm.
goes under, so it's a little bit under.
You
Throw it up.
Pop it up.
Yeah,
I
but
didn't do
you
it.
catch it above.
Yeah.
So this is what you do, like let's say like 10 times.
Yep.
So make sure your rope is nice and open, and then just catch it over.
Here.
Yeah.
Catch it over. Cool.
Perfect.
Okay.
Pairs.
Here. Catch it over.
Good job. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
If you can do that, so you do the side swing.
Yep.
You lose it, leave it, and then the next one is the mic, right?
Okay. Nice. That looks smooth, right? That looks so smooth.
Yeah.
I may hurt a few people trying this one right now. Go on. How's that one go?
Yeah, it actually depends a little bit on your rope. So if you have short or long handles, so if you have a long handle rope, make sure to have it like next to you on the side. And there's also a difference. Some people do 2, 3, or 4 side swings, so kind of rotations in the air.
Wow.
So I do 3 and I deal with it super fine. If you have the wheel rope, you could do 2, even with the short handles. Depends which rope you're using, as I said. So make sure.
Wheel rope is the beaded. You call it wheel, right?
Yeah, the beaded rope. Sorry. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Make sure to always have it in front of you and not like kind of doing that and then trying to catch it behind you. So make sure to have it in front of you.
Yeah.
Rotate it and then catch. So 1, 2.
Smooth. I'm gonna give it one go. Without trying to hurt you.
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're here. Whoa!
Yeah. Good job.
Nearly took you out. That's
Give
the
it-
first
give it one
release
more.
attempt ever. I'm really getting scared of the rope here. So how does someone stop getting scared of the rope hitting them? You just be a man.
Yeah, just practice.
Just practice. The last move you're gonna show us is a quad, yeah?
Yeah. Like a TJ quad. So it's like.
Wow. Nuts. That was crazy. So what are you doing in slow motion again? What are you trying to do?
Yeah. So I'm doing a side swing. Then I go into my leg. That's called TJ. And then I pull it out 2 times.
Yep.
That's the squat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep. All in one jump.
Yeah.
All in one jump. One more time. Oh, that's crazy. Guys, hope you enjoyed that quick masterclass. I'm gonna need probably about another 1,000 hours. 1,000 hours of practice. That was sick. Give me 5.
Thank
Cool.
you.
We will definitely get some more time with Mira at the HQ soon in London to give us like more in-depth tutorials. But thanks for that.
Thank you.
Let's kill it.